Hi, Betsy Clark, your Mindset Coach for another So What Wednesday. And I know many of us small business owners or entrepreneurs are going to a lot of conferences and workshops this summer. It's sort of a downtime of year and it seems like a great time to absorb more information. And so my question is, if you're going to a conference, if you're doing a workshop, if you've bought a program or a package that's going to help you with your business development and your skill sets, what is your intention? And specifically with workshops and conferences, are you going there for connection? Are you going there for a new program? Are you going there for a skill set? Are you going there for general information? Be really clean and clear about what it is you're looking for so that when you see it, you know it. It might look a little different, but you'll at least know it resonates and you're going, oh, that's what I was looking for. That was worth the price of admission. And the other piece too is not just the intention, but accountability. Who's going to hold you accountable when a little bit of the passion has left and the enthusiasm of a new piece of information or a new program or whatever? Who's going to hold you accountable? When you say this is what you want, are they gently going to hold your feet to the fire and say, hey, you remember when you said this? How's that going for you? And what can we do to make sure that you really follow through on the thing you say you're going to? So being a copious note taker, I usually walk out with a whole legal pad full of notes. And if I'm not intentional to glean what it is that I was looking for, because I made an intention prior to that event, if I don't know what it is I'm looking for, it's going to slip by. It's going to be a missed opportunity. And so that's my so what for this week is, what's your intention and how can you hold yourself accountable and how can you bring someone in externally to help you hold yourself accountable to do the things you say you want to do and to accomplish those things that you've set out to do. So please leave your comments below. That's the best part for me. I learned so much from you. Leave your questions and your comments. And in the meantime, have a great week. Betsy Clark, your Mindset Coach.